Hi, guys. Well, I hope you're having a fabulous day. Now, I am in the shop today and I thought I'd just show you some quick ideas of how I upcycled drawers that are from old desk and chest of drawers and dressers that were going to be discarded. I saved the drawers and I upcycled them in the shop for shelving storage or shelving display, you may say. Now, an idea like this could be used in a laundry room or even in a library or a play space. Okay, so you are looking at two basic shelving units. Now, these are two basic shelving units that you could get at an IKEA or any even Home Depot, any such store. They are just the basic shelving units with the slatted shelves. So what I did was I used the three drawers, one, two, three, and I literally installed them in between two of those basic shelving units. Everything's painted white because I wanted that white base to display everything. But I'll just take you closer to the one at the top and I'll show you how simple it is. Like, I basically just screwed, you can see a screw there, and there's one at the back there. I screwed the side of the unit here to the side of the shelving, and I did the same thing on both sides, and I repeated the same thing down here and down here. But as you can see, they make lovely creative shelving for all the handmade and vintage goodies that I sell here in the shop. And these were what were displayed here: my handmade pillows, and I had a wee little teddy bear sitting with them right here. So there you go. That's one way I upcycle old or upcycle drawers that are I rescue from old desk and dressers and chest of drawers. Anything that has a drawer, the drawer can be upcycled. I've seen people use them for planters. That's a great idea too. But I use them for shelving. They'll never come in touch with water, so they will last long and they will give you that space for storage. You can use them, as I said, in a playroom for storage. And yeah, it just give that feeling right here like it's just one unit, but it's just three old drawers installed between two basic slatted shelving units. Over here, I've also used an old drawer, and what I did was to get some L brackets and just put under the bottom here. You can see one. Oh, there you go. You can see the whole bracket. So I put one on one side and one on the other side, and you've got yourself storage. I use this for some picture frames. Now let's take you around and show you a couple more that I have used in here. This one here, I basically just flipped it and put it on its bottom right against the wall. I just screwed it to the wall. But before I did that, I reinforced the back part here with this piece of wood, and I put a shelving in the middle, or a shelf in the middle, so I would have more storage space. And then I screwed it to the wall. This is the front of the drawer under here. So the front of the drawer has become one shelf. The shelf in the middle is another shelf, and the back of the drawer is the top shelf. That's another way I use old drawers in my country store. And there's one more all the of hair. All I did was just flip it and just rest it. I have a shelving unit here, which is an old box that I put shelves in, and I installed it to a column that's behind there. And then I just put this, you can see the front of the drawer here. I just rest the front of the drawer there. I have some bells there, and then I put another shelving in the middle, and there you go. That's another way I use drawers from old furniture in my country shop. See, there's another one down here. I basically just screw this one at the side to the side of this cabinet, and I have more storage. These two, I've just installed them on top of this cabinet here where I have all these vintage, lovely vintage clothing, and that's more storage. So next time you see an old drawer, think of it in a different way. Think of it in ways that you can use it as creative storage in your laundry room, in your pottery shed, in your playroom, and just get creative with them. So that's my tip for using old drawers. So give a thumbs up if you like this video. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for sharing these videos, and never forget to hit that bell button so you can be notified of new videos with tips and tricks for your home and garden, lessons from my design studio, and my Jamaican recipes. So until I see you in the next video, you take care now.